good morning and welcome. This is Thursday, it's the 15th of June, so we're half the way through the month now, and we start off as ever with the AUD USD. And I'd just like to say thank you for the subscriptions and the likes. I do really appreciate them. Um, and I mean, what a disappointment we had yesterday. We had a rate hike on the dollar, and wow, it weakens against the Australian dollar. I just cannot believe it. It is just absolutely crazy. Um, I did actually, on the commitment of traders, there was a very slightly longer position on the dollar this week. So all I can say is I am looking for dollar to gain strength. I just I just can't see how it's got so low. I really don't. Australian dollar, excuse me. It did go above the 76. It went to the 76.345 just about, and I didn't actually take another trade. I still think this has got a little bit more upside in it. It's not looking negative at all. So I'm letting that run. The trades I've got in, these are only small trades. If I had a large trade in, it would have a stop behind it. So there we go with those. Euro and New Zealand dollar. We're actually seeing a little bit of weakness in the New Zealand dollar now. And you can see this here. You've got the green candle this morning against the euro. I would have thought that would have closed the gap, but it didn't quite yesterday. So that's a bit disappointing, but we'll see how that goes. Euro, US dollar. This is my euro trades are where I see my profit for this month. I've got out of my large Mexican peso trades. I just couldn't stand it anymore. All the swaps were mounting up. So anyway, the euro. We've obviously got a record short position on the commitment of traders. So even though we did get some more longs added this week, we're coming up close to the 50 on the RSI. The euro bulls have been trying to get the euro up, and as you can see here, it keeps going up, and I think it's basically they're tiring now. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 short or not very tall candles that we've had. So we've got nearly 2 weeks flat, and we'll see if we can get a little bit of downside on this by Friday. Sorry. Euro JPY. Well, we are long the Japanese yen and short the euro. This has been falling. I really wish it had fallen a bit faster. The bulls have been taking this pair up, and they've had this is about 300 pips up and down, and basically I could have taken profit on all of those. I didn't. I left my trade in and I promptly got knocked out. I have got knocked out so many times. I've actually got about 4% profit just from the areas that I've been knocked out of. Now, we're obviously short on these. I've got 2 heavy trades in at the top. They're both in profit, and I'm looking for this to short down today and tomorrow. The pound Australian dollar. Yep, strengthen the Australian dollar perhaps. We've got another red candle today. I think this is going to hang about here for a bit just to tease me. We'll see what the commitment of traders says on Friday. But I'm bullish this pair. S&P 500. It's about it even Stevens. This is the weekly chart. You can see the divergence on the candles and the divergence on the RSI. I would like this here to be a bit lower, but you know, beggars can't be choosers. So we'll be following that anyway. Euro GBP, I'm short. Again, obviously it's the euro. We're just hanging about as entry. Excuse me. Yes. Obviously, commitment of traders is heavily bearish, the euro, and we'll see how Friday's looking for the pound. We're below the 69.1. I do like this pair short. I think we've just about filled the gap there. That just about filled the gap. So I'm actually I'm looking to the 84.70 is my target. Euro Japanese yen. No, it isn't. It's the US dollar Japanese yen. This came down and closed the gap. I got out of this yesterday. I thought it might have bounced up a bit with the interest rate rise. So I got out. I got out pretty well actually. I got about at the blue line. So could have done better, but still. I'm looking to re-enter now. So I'm waiting to see what happens on Friday, and take my cues from there. We're below the 50 on the RSI. Yeah, I like that paired short. USD Canadian dollar, and this is a quandary to me. The US dollar actually increases their interest, and basically you get very little movement on the charts. The Canadians say they might have to up the interest rates or take off stimulus, etc., sooner than expected. Well, you know, I was expecting them to do it about 10 years' time. So if they do it in 7 years' time, you know, would I really find that all that shocking? Well, not really. But why the big drop? I just think this is crazy. I really do. And the commitment of traders were long the Canadian dollar. I just don't know how they could have seen that speech coming up. But, you know, hey ho. Silver. Yeah, well, I got out of this yesterday because obviously we had this candle coming up here. I thought, yeah, just get out, take my profit, and I didn't get back in. So a bit disappointing. I'm out early. I'm out at support here. So we'll see how that goes. I'll keep watching it. Same with oil. I was unsure. I got out. I got a good price, and it promptly dropped back down. So what can you do? Okay. Thank you very much for watching. As I said, I'm got out of my large trades on the Mexican peso. I'm going to be keeping an eye on that because I want to get back in. But the swaps are horrendous. I just wanted to not to get rid of the charges till I got a better setup on the commitment of traders. Okay, thank you all for watching. Hopefully see you again tomorrow, and you know, happy trading. Cheers. Bye now.